Sales reports can be key in keeping the sales process and the cash flow movement. Customers can download printable reports generated by Microsoft Dynamics AX directly from the Sana Web Store. This is the Sana Demo Store. If you go to the order history and open the details of any order, there you will be able to download the printable sales order report. This is the PDF file generated by Microsoft Dynamics AX. Microsoft Dynamics AX can generate reports for all types of sales documents. This means that you can download printable reports for any sales document type directly from the Sana Web Store. To be able to download sales reports from the Web Store, you should enable this feature in Microsoft Dynamics AX. This should be done on the Web Store level. In AX, click Web Shop, Web Shops, and under the General Fast tab, select the checkbox Enable Report Downloads. In AX, journals are used to generate sales reports. Reports of the sales orders and quotations can be downloaded from the Sana Web Store only when the order or quotation is confirmed in Microsoft Dynamics AX and the journal is created. To confirm the sales order in Microsoft Dynamics AX, open it and under the Cell tab, click Sales Order Confirmation. Only when the sales order is confirmed in AX, the report can be downloaded from the Order Details page in the Sana Web Store. If you use sales quotations, you need to click Send Quotation to create quotation journal. Only then a customer will be able to download sales quotation report from the Sana Web Store. When you post shipments and invoices in Microsoft Dynamics AX, the journals are created automatically. Thus, the corresponding reports will be available for download in the Sana Web Store automatically, and you don't need to confirm something in AX.